What's up, guys? We are in this crazy area where we got the traffic blazing right by us. We have people coming down from the school area. This is a much more local feel. I better get the heck out of the way because these people are gonna run me over. But we're gonna go and walk down this block and kind of show you what a real local neighborhood looks like. So if you guys are interested in the real raw side of a Vietnamese local neighborhood, stick around. We technically live in this neighborhood, but we've never really been down here. It's a much more livable residential area. I will pop the description of exactly where we're at, the Google Map location. It's just kind of off the beaten path. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna see what's in this neighborhood. It's a little, I guess you would consider it west of us. Look at this, here's the cannons. Last time I took a picture of this, they shooed me away. So hopefully they won't shoo me away now. But we're just gonna kind of walk around this neighborhood and I'm gonna show you around. This is technically closer to the bridge and almost the riverside, but we saw a lot of character in this neighborhood and we're just gonna kind of show you guys around. We haven't done a walking video with Fluffy in a while. She's on the live stream. What are they talking about on the live stream?
They said that you should give me lucky money. Leasing.
So, I know you guys watch my uploaded videos. If you guys ever get a chance, we do a daily or a nightly usually live stream where I can answer all your guys' questions. You guys can come in and interact. We have a nice little community. So if you guys get a chance, come check out our live stream. But while we're talking, we're gonna just kind of wander around this neighborhood and show you guys what they have here. Let's go take a look, Fluffy.
Want to look at that complex?
What complex?
There. It's like there's a complex.
It's too far for me.
Too far from me?
Yeah, I don't want to be down this far. There's our security guard. We're gonna kind of peek and take a look. Of course it's cheaper, but it's much further. The further away that you get, the more cheaper it gets. Looking right down the cannon. Look at the cannon. Ooh, look at that. So we're in a really local neighborhood. What do you notice about the big difference over here, Fluffy?
It's loud.
It's loud. There is a school there, so it is loud. And it's very local. Busy, local, loud. But
Isn't this the way going to the river in the Lin Visa?
no, that's that way, left. I think this is another one of these banana fritters.
Yeah.
Oh, look at the guys popping up over here. They love the banana fritters over here. They basically, Xin chào. Banana? Banana, okay. They have the banana and then this is the oil, and then what they'll do is they'll just drop that in there. Look at that. Ah, I always thought those were big pieces. How much? How much? 6,000? How many? Come on. I don't know how much. So, but it looks like they do have a crowd. So, they do kind of have the same kind of amenities. The music is pounding though. We can hear the music in the background. They do have this big apartment complex over here.
Depends on the...
We haven't really seen any locals or Westerners, but here we go. Let's ask them how much for a haircut. It's usually 50,000. Xin chào. How much for a haircut? No? Okay. They don't do my haircut, I guess.
No,
She said no.
Salon.
What's wrong with the salon though?
No, maybe
She rejected me pretty quickly. Comment in the post why. Maybe she doesn't like me. She looked at me and said no. Mobi phone. This looks like a SIM card place. So these are like the third party. You don't really want to get your SIM cards from here. It's more of a third party. You're gonna get a little bit of an upcharge. Lin King. I think that's how you say it. But let's go pop in over here. Let's go take a look at this little local store area. This is real local, guys. Look at this. Dry. This is parking. This is what they call parking in Da Nang or Vietnam.
We have the snacks here.
What snacks?
The one that you like.
We had too many snacks today. You don't need any more snacks.
No, for the house.
The house doesn't need any snacks. House doesn't eat.
Wow, look at that chip. So many chips.
You love chips. Actually, the more entertaining stuff was back this way, so we'll probably make a U-turn. Any of you planning a trip to Da Nang in the next 60 days? Well, book a free 30-minute video consultation with me to get all the information you need to settle in smoothly. During this call, I'll provide personalized advice and answer any of the questions you have about traveling or living in Da Nang. So don't hesitate to book your free consultation today. The link is in the description below. A Japanese bakery. Fluffy, there's a Japanese bakery. So I think we're gonna probably hit a U-turn here. I don't know what this is. Is this oil? Oh, this is honey. Honey. I wonder if it's as cheap as the market. I doubt it, but oh, look at Obama. They have Obama drinking a coconut. I don't know what Obama. 50? 50.
55.
55? That's a pretty good deal, right? 55,000 would be a steal. Let's try to find out real quick. I think it's 500, but she's saying 50. Let's see how much. Is it 55 or 500? 50. 50,000. Honey? That's honey?
So I'm 50.
This one's 100. And this one's 50.
Yeah.
Cái này là 1 lít, cái này là 2 lít. Cái này nó to hơn.
Half. How is that 50,000? Is that honey? I don't think it's honey. It's not honey.
It's like a tea.
It's like a tea.
Come on.
I don't think it's honey. It's
Tea.
yeah, it's too.
This is the one they put for.
Come on.
Come on.
It's definitely not honey. We thought it was honey.
Yeah, the one they put.
But it's much thinner, so it's not honey. If you check the live stream, I bet you someone knows what that is.
Deal. Same.
So if you guys want to check out the live stream, go pop it in there. I always respond to you. I can answer your guys' questions. I think we're just going to get up to this street. There's going to be nothing else here. We're going to pop back around, and then we're going to show you the more livelier area. When we were back there, I said, damn, I have my phone, my GoPro on me. Why not pop out the camera and get some footage for you guys? This is kind of the raw, rough, and rugged local street out here. So this is going to be this main intersection, Vo Van Kiet. So you have seen me the other day when we were down that way when we did the little temple place a couple of days ago. So there's nothing else down this way. So we're going to hit a U-turn and we're going to go show you the lively part. Let's go back this way, Fluffy. No, there's nothing here. Just all.
Wait, that's the Dragon Bridge already?
Yeah, there's nothing down there I want to show the area, the neighborhood. It's very, very noisy here, very local here. No, not touristy at all.
We don't call Lunar New Year as Lunar New Year.
Look at this, horns are honking. This place is busy, so if you did find a place here, which I'm assuming would be cheaper than the main An Thuong beach area, but you would definitely want to live up higher. Definitely want to live way at least that high, because you're gonna definitely get hit with all the audience of the crowds, the audience noise, the bun guy. They have the Japanese bakery.
I want to check the Japanese.
Let's ask the audience, do you guys want to see the Japanese bakery? Do you guys want us to risk our life and cross this street? to go see the Japanese bakery. Thumbs up if you guys want us to cross the street and risk our lives. Look at the kid. The kid's driving this scooter. Not the adult. The adult's on the back. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. There we go. We've never seen a Japanese bakery here. Oh, they're making the banh mi. Banh mi. Oh, they're making it with a really small bread. So let's take a look. I think it's all pre-packaged. It's kind of like the local bakeries that we just seen. Wow, bread for 46. Little Japanese price, definitely not Vietnamese price. Yeah. What is in here? This is a part of it?
It's a cafe.
It's a cafe. Okay. Very, very basic. Very similar to a Vietnamese local bakery, but a little bit more expensive. We are on our way back this way. You guys will see the noise level will only increase from this point. So, pharmacies are very, very popular here in Da Nang. Over the past year, they've been popping up like crazy. One of the most popular businesses that we have in Da Nang are these pharmacies. Almost one on every single block. So I guess we're gonna leave her behind because she's too slow. So I'm gonna take you guys and I'm gonna show you guys a little digital nomad cafe going on here. The only difference is we don't see any tourists. So this is definitely a non-touristy neighborhood. I don't know, maybe that's the reason why when I asked the lady for the haircut a minute ago, she just, no. Maybe it's not for me. There's a government military building, I think. So, there we go. Last time I was trying to take a picture or a video of that, the military guy came out and said, no, don't. And I'm like, what did I do wrong? And apparently you're not supposed to film that nice artwork. But the problem is it's on the street. So it's like, what's so secret about it? Why don't you want to record it? Like, you literally have it on the street. It's not tucked away. It's literally on the street. The picture, the army picture, the painting. But it's like, you guys want people to see it. You literally have it on the street and it's painted so nice. Here's the cream puffs. They're a little bit cheaper here. Usually they're about 18,000. Here they're 15,000. The air fryer. This is my new vehicle right here. This one, you guys know I'm not into riding scooters. They're too risky with this traffic. But this is my new vehicle that I would love to rent. It even comes with the rice. So no joke, guys, if I could rent this, I would definitely rent it. It looks like you have the low gear or the reverse, and then that. I would definitely rent that. That vehicle is a big thumbs up for me. So we're making our way back to the school area. Candy shop. Look at this, guys. Let me raise you guys up here so you guys can look at that. There we go. Get a nice candy shop view. And if you notice, why is there a candy shop? We've never seen a candy shop, right? Oh, maybe that's why, because there's a school right across the street. So they are marketing. They know their right audience. Like if you're a YouTuber, you're supposed to know your audience. Just like if you are a candy shop, you gotta know your right audience. And there is, I never knew that they shredded those, but those look good. They're like shredding them. And then what they do is they use these bananas and then they batter those and then they deep fry them. And I think she said they were 7,000. So really, really good price. We get our banana fritters from the other side of An Thuong, from the same place. Oh, look at this old school juicing machine. Fluffy, look at this one. Look at that juice press. A freshly squeezed, come on. Wow, very nice, very nice. Come on. So I think they just put the oranges in there. Fluffy, I think this is the one that you were talking about that they put the orange and then they'll put the honey.
Yeah.
I think that's how they make it. Come on. Look at this cat. We've seen this cat earlier on a leash, just hanging out, maybe the manager. And there is the school. So this is where a lot of the noise in this neighborhood comes from. Just like the construction that's being built over here. Lots of construction going on in Da Nang.
Phoenix is saying something.
So a lot of stuff is going on here. So I encourage you guys definitely to pop in the live stream and get some tips if you guys are coming out here, because I do a live stream every night, usually Vietnamese time, and I can give you guys some tips on where to stay. I can give you guys some advice where you would want to do your visa the correct way, stuff like that. And don't forget, I also do an in-person service. You guys can find that in-person service right there on my YouTube page, where I pick you up from the hotel. I help you get your guys' currency. I get you a SIM card. I do all the hard part that you guys are kind of worried about of coming to Vietnam about. I kind of guide you through that and hold your hand. So if you guys are interested in coming to Da Nang and you need someone to basically do all the hard part for you, go into my YouTube links and check out my in-person service, and you guys can book that. So shameless plug for my my in-person service. But every single person that I had and I've done it in person with, they've really enjoyed it. So check it out. Come on, straggler. Put it in high gear. Put it in high gear.
I'm trying to read the comments.
You're trying to read the comments?
Yeah.
So here is Hong Hai Tham. I think this is an apartment complex. Maybe this is a continuation of the school. But it's much more local. I whacked my arm on that scooter. That scooter attacked me, guys. Ah! Hit me right in the funny bone. Much more local. There's your guys' fish. Look at this, your seafood. I don't eat the seafood, but you guys can check out little local places like that. And we're almost back to where we started. So this video kind of went a little bit longer than I expected, but if you guys enjoyed this video of this nice little cool local neighborhood, please leave a thumbs up. If you guys still haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. It does help the channel grow. Once again, I appreciate you guys taking your time to watch the video, to subscribe. Let's keep this channel going and boosting up in subscriber counts. Once again, enjoy yourself and happy travels.